Good day. My name is Cynthia and I am a hospitality professional from the Philippines with solid experience in hotel kitchen operations both locally and internationally. I previously worked as a cook one at Hilton Anatole in Dallas, Texas, where I gained valuable experience in high volume and high standard kitchen production. I also worked as a chef de partie at Eagle Ridge, where I was responsible for managing my assigned station, maintaining food quality, and ensuring smooth kitchen operations. These experiences strengthened my technical skills, discipline, and ability to work efficiently under pressure. I am a hardworking, detail-oriented, and reliable team player. I consistently maintain high standards in food safety, preparation, and presentation. I am passionate about continuous learning and professional growth in the culinary industry. My goal is to further develop these skills internationally, become a strong kitchen leader, and eventually open my own restaurant and reflects excellence and professionalism. Thank you for your time. I look forward to contributing my skills and dedication to your team.